Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake pie. First, ensure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature for a smooth filling. You'll need about 2 8-ounce blocks. Combine graham cracker crumbs with melted butter and a touch of sugar, then press this mixture evenly into your pie dish. This forms the delicious base for your creamy cheesecake. Now let's create that luscious filling. In a large bowl, beat your softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and lump-free. Gradually incorporate the sugar, mixing until just combined. Then, one at a time, beat in the eggs, followed by vanilla extract. Be careful not to overmix, as this can introduce too much air. With your filling ready, gently pour it into the prepared graham cracker crust. Place your cheesecake pie in a preheated oven. Baking it at a moderate temperature helps prevent cracks. Once baked, the center should be mostly set with a slight jiggle. Allow it to cool slowly before refrigerating for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. The final touch is all about presentation and flavor. Once your cheesecake pie is perfectly chilled, it's ready for toppings. Consider a vibrant array of fresh fruit, a rich chocolate ganache, or a tangy fruit compote. A dollop of whipped cream is always a classic choice. Slice and serve this delightful dessert to your eager guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.